Hello everybody. So through this session we will discuss grammar, and in grammar we will continue with the topic active and passive voice only. This is a third video related to active and passive voice. In our previous video we have discussed rules related to change in the verb, and we have discussed present indefinite. In today's video lecture we will discuss past tense, and our first tense in past tense is past indefinite. So the rule for past indefinite is subject plus second form of the verb. In active voice we will first of all make a sentence. So the sentence is Amit, second form of the verb, write wrote a letter. Now we will change the voice first of all, interchanging the places of subject and object. Article A will be shifted with letter only, because that's a rule also, that whatever article phrases are used, so they will also remain with them only. So we will change the places of that also. So it will become a letter, and Amit will go at the end, so it will be by Amit. I'm going in detail only. We all know that in passive voice we used to always use third form, so wrote is second and third form is written only. Now helping verb you have to introduce here, and according to a letter which is singular, here it will be was only. So a letter was written by Amit. Similarly we will take one more example of our past indefinite. Sahil read many books. Now spelling remain always same, read, read. So just by pronunciation only we can tell that is it a first or second or a third form only. So here second form, Sahil read many books. Now while changing from active to passive, we will first of all change the places of subject and object. So it will become many books. Sahil will go at end by Sahil. Read, read is the second form. We will use a third form which will spelling wise R-E-A-D, read only. Now according to books it is plural, so we will use here were. Many books were read by Sahil. So the rule for passive voice in past indefinite becomes subject plus was, were plus third form of the verb. Next is our past continuous, and the rule for past continuous is was, were plus first form of the verb plus ing. So we will make a sentence of past continuous tense. Amit was writing a book. Now we can clearly see here was, were, first form plus ing. So this is the past continuous. Now we will change this by changing the places of subject and object. So it will become a book by Amit Now we will use third form of the verb. So write is the first, written is the third form of the verb here. It is was here according to Amit. Amit is singular. A book, it is also singular, so it will remain was only. Now we have to use ing also. We can't leave the continuity of the sentence. For that we will introduce being. So the sentence will become, a book was being written by Amit. We will take one more example of that. She was helping me. Now quickly we will change this, changing the places. I here will become will become I. She will become her or by her. So I, according to I also it will be was only. I was being. Third form is helped by her. So the rule for past continuous in passive voice becomes was, were plus being plus third form of the verb. This is our passive past continuous tense. So next we have past perfect tense, and the rule for past perfect is had plus third form of the verb. Now we will make a sentence. So sentence is, Amit had planted a tree. Now had plus third form of the verb. We will change it into passive voice. First of all, changing the places of subject and object. It will become a tree. Amit. Here it will become by Amit. It will go at the end. Now according to a tree also it will remain had only. Planted is a third form already. It will remain planted only. Now what we have to introduce here? Only been. So the sentence will become, a tree had been planted by Amit. So we will take one more sentence. Amit had bought books. This is our past perfect tense. Had plus third form of the verb. Now we will change this into passive voice. By changing the places of subject and object, it will become books. Amit will go at the end by Amit. According to books also it will remain had only, because in past perfect there is no rule for singular plural. With all had will be used. Bought is already third form, so it will remain same. We will introduce here been only. So the books had been bought by Amit. So the rule for past perfect tense in passive voice becomes had plus been plus third form of the verb. So we will discuss now next sentence of next tense only. But before that we will discuss that past perfect continuous it cannot be changed into passive voice. So we will now directly shift to our future indefinite. Future indefinite. So rule for future indefinite is will, shall plus first form of the verb. For understanding we will take a simple sentence only, like Amit will write a letter Now we'll change this into passive voice. Interchanging the places of subject and object, it will become a letter. According to a letter also, it will remain will only. Amit will go at the end. By Amit. Right, third form is written. A letter will written by Amit. Now we have to introduce something, and we will introduce here be form, a be verb only, that is be. A letter will be written by Amit. And we'll take one more sentence. So the sentence is, she will cook food. Now again changing the places of subject and object, it will become food will be, third form, cooked by, she will change into her. So the rule for future indefinite in passive voice becomes will shall plus be plus third form of the verb. So next is future continuous tense, and this also cannot be changed into passive voice. So next is future perfect, and the rule for future perfect is will shall plus have plus third form of the verb. So we'll make a sentence. Amit will have written a letter. So interchanging the places of subject and object, a letter by Amit now here will, according to letter, also will remain same. Have also will remain same. Written is already third form of the verb, so third form only. We will introduce like our present perfect and past perfect. Here also in future perfect we will introduce been. So the sentence will become, a letter will have been written by Amit. He will have finished work. So it will become work will have, and we have introduced been. Work will have been, third form is finished by, pronoun he will become him. So the rule for passive in future perfect tense becomes will shall plus have been plus third form of the verb. For the models like can, could, may, might, should, would, they will also take be while changing from active to passive. For example, they can help you. So like can, if other models like could, may, might, should, would, any will be there. So while changing to passive voice, it will be, now you can be, will be, would be, should be. might be, maybe. Third form, helped by, and they will change into them.